Hey friend, welcome back to Doing It with Tyranzia. Y'all know on the last video I told y'all didn't need a printer, but y'all that audio was so horrible. I don't even see how y'all watched it or listened to it because I would have exited off that video so fast. But listen, we're gonna just jump right into it. I really wanted to do you guys a remake of that video because I know a lot of you guys had questions. So I want to make sure I address those questions. Because if you like your girl, you couldn't watch that video with the audio like that. But y'all, I told y'all um I don't look at the videos after I do them because I delete them trying to make them perfect and I'm trying to get away from that. So listen, we're going to jump right into it. Here it is. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to go to Creative Fabrica. We'll pull it up right there in the search box. I'm going to type um in my Grinch era. If you see, I already did it because I recorded this video the other day, but the sound quality was horrible, so I'm gonna do it over for y'all. So I'm just gonna type in my Grinch era. Yeah, I forgot the whole word Grinch, so we're gonna put Grinch in there so you can pull up the right image. Okay, we're just gonna click that search box, and then once we hit the search icon is right there. That's the one the customer sent me, so we're gonna go ahead and select it, and I'm gonna just select download. Okay, once I download it, it's gonna go to the top. I have a Samsung computer, so I don't know what kind you got. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click open just so I can make sure it's the right image. It is. Now I'm just gonna do save as, and I told you I do everything by folders. I'm gonna go to my Christmas folder. It's already in my folder because I've downloaded it already, but I'm just gonna save it again. So that's why you see it asking me, it's telling me, yeah, you already got this. I'm just gonna select yes to replace it, minimize that. Yep, get that out the way. Now I'm gonna go over here to Jiffy, y'all, because I told you guys you have two different options when you're looking at Jiffy. If you want to do the transfers, you just simply go to the top page, click on transfers right there at the top. Now they got Pro and then they got the regular one. Pro's supposed to have a more vivid color. I haven't tried it because I've been having great success with the standard one. It's cheaper, so we trying to save the dollars, y'all. So we're gonna go with the standard one. We're just gonna select it. It's gonna come open. I mean, it's gonna come up, and you see that it's saying if I order this today, because I'm over there, I'm after their cutoff for today. Their cutoff is like 1 o'clock, so it's telling me I'm gonna get this Thursday. In normal time, if I had did this before 1, I would have got this tomorrow. But since I'm doing this after 1, technically it's gonna get ordered. The order's gonna get fulfilled on tomorrow, so I won't get it till Thursday because Wednesday is Christmas. So I'm just gonna click on browse file. I'm gonna go down to my Christmas folder, and then I'm gonna type in my Grinch era. And I'm not in my Grinch era. I'm ready for Christmas. So open and give it a little time to load up. And it usually take like 1 to 2 minutes to load up. Y'all, DPIs really matter because I'm gonna show y'all the difference right here. You see it saying, hey, give me 30 seconds to make this perfect. Even though the upload was good, you can see the difference in the quality. So this is at the 118 DPI, but Jiffy's still working on it. If you slide that bar over to get the 300 DPI, because it's a better quality print. It's a better quality image, and that's what you want. Because whatever you see in that little box, please believe that's what Jiffy gonna send you. You better know it. If you see that blurry mess, guess what? You gonna get that blurry mess. But y'all can see the difference. You see the difference? It's not as furry and blurry. It's a vivid image, and that's exactly what I'm gonna get when I place this order. And y'all, I'm so glad I redid this video because Jiffy has updated some stuff since the two weeks ago, right? So if I want my custom size, it shows me the custom size right here. I'm able to edit it. But Jiffy also has did their own little chart for you guys. So if you one of those ones that struggle with sizing, Jiffy has answered your questions, baby. If you know you need a smile through extra smile, right here is giving you the size. All thing you gotta do is add the quantities of the images that you want. Now this is your quick way of doing it, right? You can let Jiffy do your DTF prints for you, and then you get them shipped to you the next day or 1 to 2 days. You just press them yourself, send them to your customers, right? So right here, it's showing me this a custom size. I don't want the custom size. I'm just playing with it right now, so I'm just going to delete that. So I'm going to use one of Jiffy recommended sizes. I want a large, so I put one. And then it's telling me right here, hey girl, you $14 away from free shipping because you need that $29. But if you don't get that $29, you're going to pay Jiffy to ship it to you, right? So I'm just going to select on add it to my cart, give it a little time. Then I'm going to say view my cart, right? We view in our cart, and it's just going through all their warehouses, all their print places that they can print from. Making sure I can get it on tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, Thursday, because technically it'll get fulfilled tomorrow. So right here, it's telling me I'm gonna get it on December 26th if I order it now, and it's showing me how much it's gonna cost me to get it done. It's showing me the $8, and then it's showing me the $9.95 for shipping. Because altogether, this shirt is gonna cost me $17.97. So if it charged me the $17.97, y'all gotta make a profit. So how much we gonna price this shirt for, right? But or you can see how much it costs you to add a little bit more. We're gonna go with 4 shirts. Well, I'm not 4 shirts, 4 DTF prints, and I'm just gonna do update because I'm just trying to show y'all how much it is if we go over that $29. Because what Jiffy does is it charges you the $9.95, then it's subtracted right back from it. So it went up to 32.08, but I'm getting the shipping for free, right? So I'm getting 4 prints instead of one, if that's your choice. I don't buy anything extra because it's a waste of money unless I'm doing a big order and I know I don't have time to order another one. So I will order like one of each. So right here, yeah, I know we gotta go to this calculator, right? We gotta go to the calculator. We gotta see how much it's costing us to do anything. So we're just gonna do the 32.08 divided by the 4 shirts is 802 per shirt. It's 802 per shirt. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do my $20 that I want. I'm gonna get like a $12 profit. So yeah, roughly $12 profit from this option, right? If that's what you want to do. Okay, so I'm removing this. Come and show you the other option. Like, say for instance, you just want Jiffy to do all the heavy lifting for you. Like, I don't want to press the shirt. I just want you to do it for me, Jiffy. Go to custom tees, select what brand shirt you want. Yeah, I know I like the Gildan 6400, so we just gonna click on Gildan. We're gonna go down, find the 6400. There it is. We just gonna select it. And this particular customer, she wanted a pink one, y'all. So I'm gonna go right here to view 72 colors. They have a wide variety. So I'm gonna scroll down, click the light pink that she wants. Okay. And then she wanted a large, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna do one large. And right here, I'm just gonna select my image to upload. Already in my Christmas folder, so I'm gonna go to in my Grinch era again. Select it, open. Yeah, just slow down sometime, y'all. What I'm rushing for? What am I rushing for? Okay. I already ordered. Y'all already ordered this, pressed it. You can look at my short and you can see how the shirt came out. Real nice, real pretty. She was very satisfied. So right here showing me how this is gonna actually look. Yeah, I went send this to my customer for a mock-up because he got a whole little facial hair and pink lips going on. It just ain't a good look. You gotta let people imagine how it's really gonna look when they get it. So that ain't giving what she wanna look like. So we ain't doing it. And look at him down here. Y'all. It looks like he got on lipstick. But he's got a nice shade of lips. Unless they over edited that picture. And then him with that beard throwing this whole design off. It just throwing it off. It ain't looking good. So we wouldn't send this to her. We'll give her a mock up in Canva. But yeah, she sent me this. So I ain't even sent her no mock up. But it's telling me I'm gonna get this on Thursday, January the 2nd. That's a little long, y'all. So if you want the faster approach, order the DTF print, press it yourself, get it to your customer by Friday. But if it's an order that don't have to be fulfilled until January 5th, 6th, 7th, okay, go for it. Let Jiffy print it for you. Let them do the heavy lifting. I told y'all, them printers are like expensive. If you're not in a financial position where you just want to spend the money, What you spending? Why are you buying that printer? So let's add this to our cart. Okay. Once again, baby, Jiffy wants you to, hey, you a few dollars away from 29. So you gonna hand Jiffy they 9.95, which is cool, cause you ain't did nothing. You ain't did nothing but played on this computer for like less than 10 minutes. So order it, y'all. So you can do that. So you see, if you got the time to do it, let Jiffy do it for you. You don't have the time, order your DTF print, press it yourself, get it to your customer faster. That's an easy fix, right? So right here it's telling me I'm gonna get this on January the 2nd for 1705. It don't really give you a lot of room for profit if you sell your shirts for $20. But for this one, sell it for 25, sell it for 30, get your profit. You still want your money though. You still want your money. So we just gonna go to hold on. If you got the time to wait, wait. If you don't, I told y'all like 5 times. Just order the transfer and press it yourself. But I wouldn't go out. I wouldn't suggest going out buying, especially if you're just getting started. I would not suggest going out and buying no $10,000 printer, and you don't even know if you're gonna have the clientele to do it, right? So we just gonna do the math on this. We gotta do the math. So if I charge $25 for this shirt minus the 1705, it's gonna render me about a good $8 profit. I'm okay with $8. Y'all might be like, $8 ain't a lot of money. $8 is a lot of money when it only took me less than 10 minutes to do it. It literally took me, I'm making $1 a minute almost, because it took me less than 10 minutes to do it. So why wouldn't I? Why? It's kind of a no-brainer, y'all. It's kind of a no-brainer. The only downsides with this is it's saying January the 2nd. Customers be wanting their stuff the next day. So January 22nd is a little push for me. I don't know if I want them to wait that long. But like I say, if you don't have a heat press, you don't have that, just tell the customers you have a 10 to 15-day turnaround. Just train your customers with how you work. Just train them with how you work. Like I said, y'all might think that $8 ain't a lot, but let's play with this $8. What is 7.95? We gonna round it up. Y'all went to elementary, y'all know round it up. So we just gonna play with that 7.95. So we're gonna do 7.95 times 10. If I market it, sell 10 shirts a day, it'd be 79.50, like $80 a day. That ain't too bad. $80 a day ain't bad for you spending 20 to 30 minutes on your computer, right? Because you gotta do that marketing time. So that ain't really bad, right? It ain't bad. So let's do it if I work 5 days a week, because your girl is over the 7 day a week hustling bustle. I don't do that no more. I don't do that no more. So time 5, we're gonna make $397 a week, right? Oh, that's still not a lot. We're gonna do it times 4. It's 4 weeks in a month. So $1,500 extra a month. That's pretty decent. Somebody could pay their rent, they can pay their mortgage, they can pay like 2 car notes, right? So let's do this time 12 months in a year. Y'all know I like doing the math, because once you do the math, it makes sense, right? So if I sell 10 shirts a day, let Jiffy do the heavy lifting. It's gonna render $19,080 a year, right? That's if I just do 10. You ain't gotta stop at 10. You can double that, girl, make 38. Yeah, double it, triple it. Do what you need to do to get that financial goal that you want to achieve. But you can do a lot with $19,000 extra when you only spending $30 a day. And once you put something on social media, like if I post a shirt today on social media, it's on social media. Meaning somebody may not see it until the next week. So it's there to continually to sell. Just like my digital product, the um Fab 50, yeah, it's there. I made that like almost 2 months ago, maybe. And guess what? People still buying it. And all I did, I posted a video about it. They like the video, they like the content in the Fab 50. So guess what? They're still purchasing it. But let me tell y'all something about them digital products. Yeah, the profit on those are amazing, but they don't work unless you work. You can't just make the product, say, "Oh, it's so cute. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it." Don't nobody but you. Come on now, girl. You gotta tell somebody about it. Like with my Fab 50, I'm telling you, with that Fab 50, you can literally make t-shirts off of it. You can make journals, you can make book covers, whatever you want to do. That's the thing. When you get these digital products, you have to work for them. You have to work with them. You have to let them work for you. So like if you look at my video I posted a couple of days ago for my vision board party, y'all, the shirt I made on the last You Don't Need a Printer, that came out the Fab 50, right? Then I made the video when I uploaded the shirt, just like it's the remake of this one. Well, this one is a remake of that one. But I showed you how I ordered that shirt from Jiffy. The shirt came that Friday. I wore that shirt Sunday. Y'all got so many compliments from that shirt. I'm talking about I couldn't have placed it better myself. The quality of it, the look of the shirt, the feel of the shirt was everything as if I had did it myself. You always want to test out your supplier before you offer it to your customers. Don't ever just order something, send it to your customer. No, you need to test it out first. Once you test it out, watch it a couple of times, know that it's good quality, then you can promote it and give it to your customers. Because if that Fab 50 wasn't good, yeah, I wouldn't try to sell it to y'all, but you do have to use your imagination with it. You do have to use your imagination. You have to make it work for you. If you want to rename and resell it for yourself, you could do that. Or you can play with it. Make you some mugs, make you some keychains, y'all. Make y'all some journals. It's the perfect time of the year to make journals, planners, budget calculators, all that stuff. It's the perfect time to market to your people. Y'all, don't be sitting back here waiting on 2025 to do nothing. You got 8 good days in 2024. Make 2024 work for you. You got 8 days to make it happen, girl. You got 8 days. Don't wait on no 2025 to make nothing happen. Because Christmas morning, watch me pop out with a video. Why? Because I got bills on the 26th. I got bills due today. So guess what? Why am I waiting to 2025? Yeah, I better stop waiting on another day, another year, another week. I'll do it Monday. No, baby girl, do it today. Okay? Do it today. Do it, please. And when y'all do it, let me know. I want to celebrate with you. I want to celebrate with you so bad. I want to just like celebrate my sister and her accomplishment and her going after the goals that she has set for herself. I want to celebrate with y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I talk back. I do. I like reading y'all comments. A lot of them make me laugh. A lot of them make me smile. And I enjoy the conversation with most of you guys. Well, with all of you guys. I haven't had any ugly comments yet. Thank the Lord. But I'm surprised y'all ain't putting no ugly comment on that last video because the audio was not it. But thank y'all for being nice to your girl. But bye, friend.